Today we're making garlic cream, one of the simplest and most versatile sauces you can add to your kitchen. 3 ingredients, minimal effort, and it works with almost anything. Let's get into it. Garlic cream is smooth, rich, and incredibly flexible. You can keep it mild or make it bold depending on how long you cook it down. Garlic has been used for thousands of years, not just for flavor, but for health, immunity, and even spiritual protection in some cultures. This sauce is a great way to bring that depth into everyday cooking. Here's your mise en place. 1 full head of garlic, peeled and trimmed. 1 cup, or 250 milliliters of 35% cream. And salt and pepper to taste. That's it. With only 3 ingredients, this is one of the easiest sauces you'll ever make. Start by placing your peeled garlic in a saucepan and covering it with water. Bring it to a boil. This step softens the garlic and removes any harsh bite. Drain it, rinse with cold water, and slice the cloves. This gives you a smoother final texture. Return the sliced garlic to the pan and add your cream. Bring it up to a boil, then reduce the heat. Let it simmer until the cream reduces by half. Stir constantly. This keeps the sauce smooth and prevents scorching. Season with salt and pepper. White pepper is ideal if you want to keep the sauce bright and clean. And that's it. Your garlic cream is ready to serve. Fast, simple, and perfect for any occasion, or even just to elevate a weekday meal. It's one of those sauces you'll find yourself making again and again. Garlic cream works with almost everything. Spoon it over chicken, lamb, beef, or fish. Drizzle it on roasted vegetables. Toss it with pasta or rice. Spread it on sandwiches or wraps. Or use it as a dip for fries, pita, or fresh vegetables. You can also adapt it to the flavor and intensity your family enjoys. Now, go cook. Garlic cream is simple, flexible, and full of flavor. Try it with different dishes and make it your own. Enjoy! Please join us again for some other ideas on how to elevate your dinners.